Hello guys, and we're playing Pusher, and then the yes, and one of them is the victims, and the one is Pusher. That means Pusher means that she's a faker, and victim means she's the real. So this is so basic. So let's go. IDK Blohy.
The IDK kid.
Blohy need to know because she's the player.
The IDK kid.
Yeah, no cherry. Sister, no cherry.
If somebody played my
How
server,
many days do you have weekend?
guys, like and
I
subscribe.
have to.
Guys. Like and subscribe, please. Or else.
They gonna beat you. I mean nothing. Me Pusher. You're the
Two
Pusher.
bacons cute. Two bacons cute.
Two bacon
Isang fake. Ay, isang fake.
Look at this, guys. Do you see this? Wait a minute. This is my friend. This is my friend from night to the night. I'm gonna invite him because what makes you really angry? That's my question earlier. It is Yapa. You annoying people. You annoying people.
Guys, I'm in the Minecraft.
I think it's cherry, but I don't know.
Choose this, Terry.
Sabi niya vote me.
I'm the real.
Sige, bubuot ka namin. Pag ikaw na sige nga. Sinasabi na talaga ni Bloy siya yung fake.
I'm Hayana.
Hayan. Sino siya? Hayan. Ay, ito! Si Hayan!
Sabi niya totoo.
I know. You know I'm Haya. Yeesh. I know. This versus 2. Hala, dalawa pa sila nagsabi ng Boom. We don't know if she's the faker or she's the real. We don't know, guys.
I'm drowning.
Wow, ang galing. Sana si Cherry yung pipiliin ko, pero okay lang yan. Sinabi lang naman ni Blohy siya yung fake kasi sinabi niya na yung totoo. Kaya tanggap naman namin. Wait lang. Si Indigo. Haha, faker ako. Faker ako. Faker ako. Puso na kapatay.
Umbong. I'm people. Hi people. I'm Kai.
Nag-leave. Ala. Anong nangyari? Oh, ano na naman? Ako na naman. Ako na naman yung faker. Eh.
Guys, don't tell that.
Don't tell them, guys. I'm the pusher again. I'm the pusher.
Ano pusor?
I'm Mango. I'm Mango. Mangogo.
Say,
Dark Ways and Mango.
I'm the imposter. Say that in real life, but the thing of that chat do not say that. Or you gonna lose your coins. Because I play Minecraft. Trap Lord. Trap Lord ba? Oh, this is okay. This is okay. Okay. Now that okay, relax on the table. Tungkol si ay. Bleh. So, I'm going to guys, like the video.
Would you want to have kids someday? How many? Make you feel alright. It's just so hard.
Tong ads na to, nainis ako.
Bro, 4 kids! That's so many!
Bro, even you have no bed. I need something
What?
for